Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Mint versus Arch Linux. We'll explore their core differences, helping you decide which distribution best suits your needs. Mint is known for its out-of-the-box functionality, making it ideal for beginners. Arch, on the other hand, offers unparalleled control and flexibility, appealing to those who enjoy building their system from the ground up. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to software, Mint provides a stable and well-tested environment with easy access to applications through its software manager. Arch, however, gives you the latest software versions directly from upstream, offering a truly rolling release experience. Its Pacman Package Manager and the Arch User Repository, or OR, provide access to an enormous collection of software, giving you immense control over your system's components. Regarding performance, Mint is designed to be efficient and runs well on a wide range of hardware, including older machines. Arch, while requiring more initial setup, can be incredibly lightweight and fast once configured to your exact specifications. The learning curve is a major differentiator. Mint is very approachable, whereas Arch requires a deeper understanding of Linux internals, making it more suitable for experienced users. Both distributions benefit from strong communities, though their focuses differ. Mint's community is welcoming to all, offering plenty of guides for common tasks. Arch's community is known for its detailed wiki and technical expertise, ideal for problem-solving complex issues. Ultimately, your choice depends on your comfort level and desired control. If you're looking to improve your financial literacy, check out the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.